also got Venice shit, man. I don't think so, brother. After you guys spent you guys are good. You guys are I'm sure that's it. I don't feel like getting a rap like we're both on the end around here. It's very good. You're like that guy that tried to suck your cigarette. Yeah.
No, be quiet a minute. You're on probation. That's fine. Go to jail and go to jail and you're sitting for good. Is that how you want it? No, I'm talking.
Brown, listen up.
You're about to go to jail over understand? Sleeping on the sidewalk, and I'll have your probation. That's it right now. Still want to continue to mount off? Well, I'm talking to you now. I don't know you at all. Shut your mouth for me. I'm going to tell you to wake up, pull the jacket off, yank you back over, like you put the foot. That's not how I play this. When I say police, wake up, that's pretty much a clue. And when you see me after I pull back off again, then you want to tense up your arm like this and get really bad. Then you make your bitch. No, you ain't. You're a little punk. You want to put this shit up and open the fuck back up. Go. Yeah. Shut your mouth and listen. That's your problem. Like that. It's like they don't give a fuck who you are. I'm not going to play that game. You understand that?
I understand. Can I say something?
Yeah, go ahead.
Honestly, you from William and what I have on me and what I come through. No. Fuck. What's that? Yeah. Thank you for reporting this copy watch. Thank you very much.
voit sur internet et tout, tu vois, elle filme. T'es d'accord?
Fox, he was pretty tough at first, but he's just a little nip. What? Hey, he's just a little easy like the other guys. He tries to act hard. Okay.
Don't lay down. Sit up.
Oh, God.
Sit up. Sit up.
Come on, can't relate.
No, you get a ticket for laying on the sidewalk.
Come on, guys.
Sit up, bro. Come on.
My back hurts, man.
I had you sit down so you don't sit like that. You can sit like that.
Okay, thank you, brother. My back hurts. I have scoliosis, seriously, my back. My back, I have back problems. You should check my back. I have scoliosis. I have alignment. You're really close to die since I'm done. Okay. I want to tell you that I have scoliosis.
You good now, bro?
Yeah, man, I've been good, man.
Your voice sounds like it's coming back.
It is.
Alright.
I've been good, but hey, I told this fucking Fox I was good. You want to try to test me. You know African fuckers are strong.
So it's
Man, you know African motherfuckers are strong. That's why you know you can't take us one-on-one. Every male comes from African. They're indigenous people, Africans. You come from Africa, fucker. You just dwell in caves and barbarians and cavemen. And that's why you become a lot of fair skin. That's why you come at me. You don't know about everything. Well, I'm telling you the truth.
No. You don't want to talk to you too. Just talk to me. Why don't we just talk?
We can do stuff that we did. That's it. Pick up your little Fox game and I'll take it.
No, you're not.
Fox is still taking that black nigga to jail. It's like, dude, for nothing, bro. Hey, you ready to take you to jail for sitting on the sidewalk and sleeping?
Oh, yeah.
Sleeping in public?
Yeah, I got the same thing.
Yeah, right. Hey, they're serious. There's nothing going on in Venice. No murders, no pedophiles, no rapists, mama. There's no real criminals in Venice. Mama, are you getting this on camera? They're not getting the pedophiles, rapists, or the murderers. They're not getting the child molesters, but they're getting me sleeping on the sidewalk. And a little drink after I've been to the bar hours late last night. It was the weekend, so it's more than likely half of the white people are drunk. He doing this. I'm not as quick as I can see. Hey, in high school, he was a black guy. Come on, man. Take this time, bro. That's why he said, fuck this beating down. Hey, look. Guys, you guys are Trayvon Martin, or what happened in Oakland at Fruitville, and Oscar Grant Fox. Where you going? Fox might shoot me because he know I whoop his ass. But sing like a butterfly flow like a bee. Fox, hey no, Fox know he can't take me without the gun belt and without that.